Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch. Now today is Tuesday the 30th of October and this session is brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Just before we begin, can you please take a brief moment to familiarize yourself with our risk warning, which is currently up on the screen, and do take note, of course, of the risks involved in trading these markets. So the whole point behind this particular session is to discuss some high probability trading opportunities that we'll be looking at for the day ahead. So without further ado, let's get up our trading platform. And what we're seeing is a bit of consolidation as this is the euro dollar market on a daily time frame. So we're seeing that the move lower, and we're looking to go with that more recent price action. And really, we're looking for a break below 1360 level. Would suggest that we're likely to get continuation lower. Now, we do have these lows down here at 1300. That is comfortably the more significant low. So if you do get into this particular market, do be aware that there's a level of support approximately 60 pips below that level. But if you get a breakthrough that, then you're looking at a sort of a really significant move further back down to the low sort of 103, 104 kind of level down at these levels. So it is a significant level. It does mean that the move to the upside is no longer on the cards, with the potential for this dollar to strengthen quite considerably. So that's the euro dollar. The pound dollar, we're looking at the same level, but for this it's the 127.77. If I zoom in a little bit more there for you, the same principle applies. We're just going with the momentum to the downside, and we're just expecting continuation, bearing in mind a lot of the budget and also the fallout of Brexit negotiations and ongoing complications of that nature is likely to see this price squeeze lower if this price breaks below 27.77. So we do need to see these levels be broken before we get into them. And just from a high probability perspective, we could look at many of the other dollar markets. But we're going to sort of focus more intently on a break above the 31.58, which is also the weekly high, and we'd expect this market to continue to the upside. And if I just zoom out, you can see we're kind of firmly in an uptrend, and this would be a breakout in the middle of kind of this lower and upper range. So it does provide us with a really good, strong, positive risk reward to the upside. But again, only if we break above 31.58. So just a few opportunities to look at. Of course, US equities very much looking to the downside, but they are quite choppy. And same situation for the oil markets. We do anticipate those markets pushing lower as well, but we're just waiting for prime opportunities to look to get into those. So for now, certainly for the course of the day, we'll continue to look at this US dollar and see what opportunities it may present to us. Okay, so that just about concludes then today's Daily Trade Watch. Please do feel free to connect with us through our YouTube channel. Just search the Live Trade Room, all one word, and do join us live each day at 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. UK time. And also, you'll be able to connect with us through our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. All the details are there up on the screen. So we'll hopefully have you join us soon. So that just about concludes this particular session. So thank you very much for joining us. Do take care, and we look forward to seeing you next time. All the best. Bye for now.